Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu Nandanwar. Today date is uh, 4 April 2022. Today video topic is difference between static and instance variable, then static and instance method static and instance static and instance block, then first time video, then difference between static and instance variable. Static variable is a property of a class. Then instance variable, it is a instance variable is a property of the of the instance is called as instance variable. Then a static variable is static variable is to create an object, is to create only once object when class loader and load the class. Then it is a instance variable. An instance variable are created every time of the instance are created in the instance variable. Then next it is a next static block. Then a static block are the um, mm, then static block or a static variable is used to share an object of the value. They can of the instance value are created in the are created in the static variable for just like sum average etc. Then next point, it is a instance variable. An instance variable are created as are used to store a value in the form in the form of respected property. Then next point, it is a fourth. Then static variable. Static variable are declared using static keyword. Then instance variable are not declared in the instance are not declared in the instant keyword, um, by using the keyword. Then next it is a static variable. Static variable are the they can static variable, they can use an object of the class, then store in the same property, same copy of the static variable. They can stay then next it is a instance variable. Instance variable, they not class set in the instant variable. Then next it is a static variable. Static variable are the are to create using the class name or object. Then is instant variable. Instant variable can be accessed only through and the class. Next it is a static and instance method. Static and instance method. Then static and instance block of method. Then instance method are the method which require an object, depends upon a class. Then to create before it can be called as the is called as the invocate. An instance method they can be to create an object of the class in which the method of the class. Then it is a static. Next it is a instance method. Then it is a static method. Static method are created in the property of in the permanent generation of the space. Then of the heap of the memory they can are associated in this space in this space of the in the space of the uh, count. Then do not generated in the class. They class object that it is a class. Then next it is a but there are static method are generated or located in the variable that can be present in the they can be present in the static method. In the argument are present in the static method. They are can then static method they are can um, as the created by the object in the particular location in of the static method. That's all about it today. Okay, thank you everyone.